this is a mandibular radiograph, which is a tooth that we can see. Teeth.
4, 5, 6, 7.
Yeah, assuming that it might be there because you can't make out the dot, so probably it must be the fourth quadrant. So this must be 4, 4, 4, 5, 7. Yes. So which is our tooth of interest?
4, 5.
4, 5. Yes, 4, 5 is our tooth of interest. So we can see that. What can we see in 4, 5? Let's start with the crown.
Radiolucency involving enamel dentin.
Yeah, radiolucency. If you actually have a trace out the radiolucency, that's where it is. Yeah, large radiolucency. Okay, so what is it?
Dental caries.
Deep dental caries. Very good. Then when we come to the root,
There's radiolucency at the back.
There's
Okay.
radio opacity.
opacity also. Yes, where do we see the opacity? Are you talking about this one?
Yeah, what's that?
No, that must be just a little bit of excessive amount of bone over here, right? Yeah, but then you also see it here. Yeah. So, what do we call this type of radio opacity? Just dense bone island. Very good. Okay, dense bone island, also called as enostosis. Right? Yeah. So now, actually, we skipped the landmarks. Can we just go back to the landmarks? Ma'am.
What is that step?
Oh yes, very good. We can see a very clear pattern. Yeah. So that is the, what is that called as?
Step ladder.
Yeah, step ladder trabeculation. Okay, so it's very nicely seen in this particular radiograph. Step ladder trabeculation. Okay, so let's go back to the premolar radiolucency. We can see a nice, well-defined radiolucency here. So you will observe that what has happened to the PDL and the lamina dura? Yes, loss of lamina dura. You actually cannot even make out the lamina dura anymore.
Yeah.
Okay, so you only can see it up to somewhere here, and then you can't see the lamina dura anymore. Right? So the PDL is widened and the lamina dura is completely lost. Right? So what should this radiolucency be? Okay, that's a good one. Periapical granuloma. Alright. Yeah. Is there any other radiolucency that we are seeing? Yes?
Mesial to
It's
4.
4, 4,
Yeah. Yes, this area looks a little confusing. Yeah? Maybe it's a little smaller than that actually. It's only somewhere here. Yeah. So, what can that be? Is there any pulp involvement in 4-4? No, doesn't seem like that. So, what should that be?
Periodontal.
Hmm? What is it? Say it louder. Location for lateral periodontal cyst? Yeah, location for lateral periodontal cyst would be more likely somewhere here, this area. Okay, but this is more like the apex of the tooth. So can we think of some other radiolucency that is closer to the
Residual cyst.
residual cyst? Means there should be a missing tooth. Correct?
Yes.
So what else is that radiolucency which you're not able to define, and but the tooth looks normal, and it's the lower premolars? Lower premolar, root apices, ill-defined radiolucency. Okay, if it's a pair, say it louder. What do you think it is?
Periodontal abscess.
Are you able to see bone loss?
Not really.
Then how
Very
can it be a
nice.
periodontal abscess? There's no bone loss. Bone height looks reasonably okay here. So what else is it? Think again. Now, since we are looking at a radiograph which was taken for the molar regions, this area probably is not very clearly seen, but you can still make out that there is some fuzzy radiolucency here.
Can I?
Mandible, canine fossa? Yeah, okay. Let's wipe out all of this and look at, just focus on this radiolucency here. Right? So, focus on that radiolucency and tell me, what do you think it could be? Again, I'm giving you a clue. It's the mandibular premolar region, root apices.
Oh, mental foramen.
Excellent. It's the mental foramen. Okay. That's what it is. This is mental foramen. Okay. Depending on how the X-ray is taken, it should somewhere lie in this zone. Right? Okay. So that's about it. So what is our diagnosis? We've diagnosed it as periapical granuloma. Our differential diagnosis would be a periapical cyst. Okay. That's it.
Ma'am, why is the radiolucency at the crown is so well defined?
Radiolucency at the crown, you mean to say in 4-5?
Yeah.
It's because it's must be a huge chunk of the tooth which is lost due to caries. So we hardly have any tooth structure left. That's why in comparison to the amount of tooth left here, there is very little tooth structure left here. That's why it's completely radiolucent. Yeah. Any other doubts with this radiograph? Yeah, so we learned few terms: step ladder pattern, mental foramen, we've got the periapical granuloma or cyst, and we have some enostosis or dense bone island here. Right, done. Thank you.